Welcome to our exploration of strategic pausing in teaching. Pausing is not just silence, it is a powerful communication tool. It allows your listeners to process information, emphasizes key points, and signals transitions. For international teaching assistants, mastering this skill can transform your teaching effectiveness. Let's dive into the world of strategic pauses. In teaching, pauses are essential for clarity and engagement. They prevent information overload by giving students time to absorb material. Pauses also allow important points to stand out, making them more memorable. By using pauses strategically, you can maintain student interest and enhance understanding. Embrace the power of silence in your lectures. Strategic pauses offer several benefits in academic communication. They help students better absorb complex or dense topics. Pauses can mark important moments, aiding in the retention of key concepts. By signaling these moments, students can identify and remember crucial information. This makes your teaching more effective and impactful.
Pausing before or after an important point can add emphasis and draw attention. For example, saying, "One of the most crucial aspects of this study is pause. The impact on future research highlights the significance." This pause allows students to anticipate and focus on the point. Use pauses to underline what matters most in your lectures. They create anticipation and highlight key ideas.
After introducing a complex idea or data, pausing is crucial. It gives students time to process and reflect on the information. For instance, after explaining a detailed concept, pause for a few seconds. This allows students to absorb the content fully. Pauses help students internalize and understand what they've just learned. Pauses can also signal transitions between ideas. They create a clear boundary when shifting topics. For example, saying, "Now that we covered the causes, pause, let's look at the potential effects," guides students smoothly. This pause indicates a change in focus. Use pauses to make your lectures more cohesive and organized. Pauses after asking questions encourage student participation. For instance, asking, "How do you think this applies to our next topic?" Pause gives students time to formulate thoughts. This pause invites them to engage and respond. It creates an interactive learning environment. Encourage students to think critically and share their insights.
In conclusion, pausing is a valuable tool for enhancing clarity and engagement. It emphasizes key points and creates a natural flow in lectures. We encourage you to practice incorporating pauses into your presentations. Observe how they impact student understanding and engagement. Embrace the power of strategic pausing in your teaching. Thank you for joining us on this journey into strategic pausing. We hope you find these techniques beneficial in your teaching. Remember, a well-timed pause can make all the difference.